All right, let's talk about copying arrays. So here we have an array of integers called first. Now let's declare another array called second and set it to the first array. Look, we get a compilation error saying array initializer must be an initializer list. So we cannot initialize an array using another array. So here we have to use the brace initializer. But what if we don't want to initialize the second array here? What if instead we want to give it its initial size, and then on the next line, we set it to the first array? Again, this line is not valid because in C++, we cannot assign one array to another one. If you want to copy an array, we have to loop over it and copy each element separately. This is where we need to use a traditional for loop because we want to copy each element at a given position to the second array at the same position. So here we're going to write a for loop for int I equal to 0. While I is less than the size of the first array, we're going to do I++. And here we set second of I to first of I. So we're copying each element at a given position to the second array at the same position. That's why we have to use a traditional for loop, not a range-based for loop, okay? Now we can improve this code by replacing this hard-coded value with size of the first array. That's better. Now to verify that our implementation is correct, let's loop over the second array and print each item. Now here we can use a range-based for loop. So we can say int number in second, then we print number followed by endo. Take a look. So our array is copied successfully.